When many people think about investing, they often imagine wealthy people in suits trading stocks on Wall Street. There's a long-standing myth that you need a six-figure salary or a lot of money to start investing. The truth is, investing isn't just for the rich. It's for anyone who wants to build financial security and grow their wealth over time, regardless of income level. In today's digital world, investing has become more accessible than ever. With as little as $50, you can start putting your money to work. It's not about how much you have to start. It's more about starting, being consistent, and letting your money and time work for you. If you rely purely on a paycheck, you are trading your time for money rather than allowing your money to work for you. Even if you save money regularly, saving alone isn't sufficient to grow your wealth, as inflation reduces the value of your savings and the interest earned. Investing, on the other hand, allows your money to grow and even multiply over time when you factor in compound interest. This turns into significant wealth over time. Here's an example. If you invest just $100 monthly in an S&P 500 index fund, which is a diversified portfolio that generates an average annual return of just 8%, after 20 years, your investment portfolio would be worth almost $60,000. The best part is that you would have contributed just $24,000 during that period. That's the power of investing and compound interest. The longer you invest, the more your money grows exponentially. Now, imagine if you could learn how to find and buy great stocks to add to your index funds to boost your investment returns. A few stocks with huge gains in the last 5 years include Tesla, with approximately 1,300%, Nvidia at around 1,100%, Apple at 800%, Amazon at 700%, Palantir at around 660%, and Netflix at approximately 500%. For example, if you bought a few shares in just one of these companies during that period, your gains would have increased significantly. In addition, you could add some dividend-paying stocks from the lists of dividend kings and dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have consecutively increased their dividends for 50 years and 25 years, respectively. Investing isn't just for the wealthy. It's all about making smart decisions with your money and having the right mindset. With a simple strategy, you can start investing today and build financial independence, regardless of income level. Remember, the most crucial step is to get started. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. To discover how to find and buy excellent stocks, check out our Smart Investing for Beginners course using the link in the description section of this video or at courses.joskedconsulting.com.